Alright, good day mga ka-AXS grinders. So update tayo sa Axie Infinity and AXS status natin. So far, bumagsak ang ating AXS at $7.43 at around 5.56%. Yeah. And then, kung makikita ninyo, meron tayong $95 dito. No? So, kinuha natin yung half ng nakastake natin na AXS since nakuha natin yung target, and then wait tayo sa another pump ni AXS using the half. But so as of the moment, waiting tayo sa pagbaba ng presyo, and we're gonna buy another set of AXS using this USDC natin, and then stake uli natin. So yun yung discard natin. So punta tayo ngayon sa Play to Rise. Okay guys, so for Play to Rise daily bounties, let's go to standard board. So sa standard board, nakuha na natin itong 10 points ni Atia. Nakuha rin natin yung one battle classic for 35 points, and also win one battle origins for 35 points. So for today, meron tayong 80 points, estimated earning na 0.21 AXS. Yun nga lang, we don't have any more of the premier ticket. So currently we don't have an access a premier board. So hopefully by next week makaipon tayo, no, and ma-access uli natin to. So punta rin tayo sa staking natin, ano. Access staking. Alright, so far kung nakikita ninyo, ang ating AXS ngayon is 10.13984. So kinuha ko yung half ng naka-stake. So the price right now is $75.68, and meron tayong claimable rewards na 0.0916736, which is makukuha natin by Wednesday. So pag bumababa pa yung price ng AXS, bibili po tayo by the dip and then sell at the high. So yun po yung discard natin, ano, for this bull run. So yun lang yung update natin. So comment and follow na rin. Thank you guys.